What's up, you guys, and welcome back to Clevver Style. Today is a day that we never thought we would see happen in 2020, but here we are. An award show happened last night and we are reporting on it from our living rooms. You guys, last night was the 2020 MTV VMAs, and it was filled with performances and fashion and music, and most of all, my girl KeKe Palmer. We love you, girl. You killed it. And you know, we had to bring you a dirty laundry episode from our living rooms, and I know it's a lot that we're dressed up like this in our living rooms, but excuse me, we haven't had an excuse to dress up like this in a minute. So you guys buckle up, get comfortable, grab a snack, because this is dirty laundry.
First off is Miley Cyrus, who is basically letting everyone know that she has been working out during quarantine.
She looks like Miley. This is a very Miley outfit. She looks like she's getting good ventilation. It's like a cover up with a swimsuit, which I'm here for because it is 400 degrees in LA, and I get it, girl.
This look for me is everything. I am a huge fan of the sheer and the sparkles, and it's super sexy, but it's super chic.
So Miley Cyrus is essentially wearing a bandeau top with a bikini bottom, and it's a sheer dress. Now, what makes this dress super elegant in my opinion, and I really like this, are the really cute like mirror silver details throughout the dress.
Everything about her is so unique to her, and she rocks it so well. This outfit, I think, just speaks to that part of her personality, which is this rocker chick meets like super glam. It's like the perfect combination of both.
She looks good. I like the gloves. The gloves is my favorite. I love me a glove moment.
I just love, like, it's got the sheer, sexy, almost like, I think it's lace with the underwear underneath, but then it's not revealing too much. It's not like, you know, Miley Cyrus twerking with like a big finger with Robin Thicke kind of, you know, look.
I like the fact that she also kept the makeup simple and the heels simple, because there's like a lot going on. I mean, her body is basically the dress.
Everything about this screams MTV, it screams Miley, and you know she's wearing something that she loves when she just looks this freaking confident, which is 99.9% of the time.
Next is my boo, Machine Gun Kelly.
Okay, let's talk about Machine Gun Kelly and his fuchsia look. I am obsessed.
Is it getting hot in here, you guys? Is it getting hot in here, or is it just me?
Yeah, he is one fine cookie.
He looks like a beautiful pink snack. This is giving me like Chanel vibes. I don't know who designed this outfit, but it gives me like tailored vibes, you know? He's on his grown and sexy, but make it fashion, make it pink.
Machine Gun Kelly, I mean, you know, he's known for just more of a relaxed look, and the fact that he went so elegant, I'm just obsessed with this look.
I always want to see more men pushing the boundaries and really just going out there when it comes to the red carpet outside of the Met Gala, and I feel like Machine Gun Kelly really is doing that with this look.
This pink look is so much fun. I love it. It's just like the best, most pop of color. It's kind of tropical. It screams summer. It's just so cute. He looks so dapper and handsome.
We're matching. We are matching. Okay? Didn't know that he was gonna wear pink. He didn't know I was gonna wear pink. He has no idea who I am.
Lady Gaga is everything on this carpet tonight. This silver like cocktail, is it a dress? Whatever it is, it's amazing. It's perfect. I love it so much.
She always brings the heat with the outfits. She's giving me 2020 Xenon quarantine chic with this.
I love the fact that she's wearing a globe around her face, because I think that was like the only time we got to see her actual face, because she was wearing different masks throughout the award show.
She looks like a friggin' space queen, complete with the, I wanna say astronaut fishbowl, but I feel like that's wrong.
It's silver, it's like intergalactic, futuristic. It's so in line with Chromatica.
And then, of course, she's wearing this like teal blue platinum hair color that she has going on, which I'm obsessed with.
It's a look. Would I wear this? No. But most things Lady Gaga wears aren't meant to be worn by normal humans.
Besides her red carpet look, we're also looking at this feathered like mini dress.
Oh my gosh, this is a huge outfit change for Lady Gaga, and I love that she's still rocking a mask.
Only Lady Gaga can make wearing a mask look so Lady Gaga. I love this look so much. It just actually makes me want to cry.
It gives me like, it's some type of exotic bird, like that went to a paint and sip class and got drunk and then just whoosh, but I'm here for it.
I missed looking at Gaga getting to do what she does best, which is show up to a carpet and make a statement just by wearing an amazing outfit, which is exactly what she did tonight. She looks incredible.
Next up is Maluma Baby, or shall I say, Papi Juancho.
Woo, child, he looks good.
It's like you want to look at his outfit, but you can't stop looking at his face.
He is so freaking hot. Like, he is so freaking, it took me a really long time to say those words.
But this look, I think it was appropriate. It was very elegant. It was very Maluma for him to go in a suit and pair it with boots.
The suit, it just fits him perfectly. It's tailored nicely. I like the finish of it.
And I think the bleach blonde hair kind of like offsets like the all black look.
I feel like Maluma can literally wear a clown suit and still look really good, if that makes sense.
Also, this time around, he kept the chains simple. Normally, I feel like he's wearing all kinds of chains trying to prove himself, and this time he kept it very elegant, very simple. He looks hot.
I'm kind of really struggling to speak right now, but I think you can probably tell by my facial expressions how I feel about this look.
KeKe Palmer, I thought you were Bruno Mars, girl.
Only KeKe Palmer can pull this off.
Oh my god, is this really KeKe Palmer? KeKe, is that really you?
KeKe Palmer promised us that she would be, quote, serving looks every time she came on camera during the VMAs, and just from the very beginning, she knocks it out of the park.
I guess celebrities can actually disguise themselves easier than we thought, because I at first was like, who is this?
This is her first time hosting the VMAs, and she had many costume changes tonight, and this was one of them. And you look great, girl. I love this.
Love this look, love everything from the Timberland boots to the Hawaiian inspired shirt to the chains to the glasses to the cap. But it's the beard for me.
The fact that she could change, it's like a shapeshifter. She changed from this into like multiple other outfits that didn't involve facial hair.
Next up is Jaden Smith. I really like the glasses. I like the fact that Jaden went with summer colors because guys, summer is still not over.
He looks good. Jaden Smith always looks good though. He just has a very good sense of style. I like this.
This look is so freaking cute. Like, I love this cardigan. I love everything about this look. It's so fun. It's so summery. It's like the pops of color.
This is really cool. I feel like there's a bit of a 60s theme inspiration. There's kind of like a bit of a hippie vibe with the glasses, and they're sort of like rose tinted.
I always love the juxtaposition between masculine and feminine. He's given us androgyny, he's given us colors, he's given us accessories.
I like the fact that he's always so unique to himself. He always just wears whatever he wants. Why be boring when you can be super fun like Jaden?
It just screams MTV VMAs to me, but it also screams like Jaden style, which is so unique and so like different. You never know what he's gonna wear. And also, I need this cardigan in my life like yesterday. I am obsessed with it. Where did you get it? Is it $1 billion? Because that will make me sad, because that's how much I want it.
All right guys, so my favorite look, I'm gonna have to go with Lady Gaga's red carpet look, because again, she went with that globe around her face where we can still see her smile, still see her makeup, and it wasn't covered by a mask, so I love the fact that she's still, you know, social distancing herself by wearing the globe. And I love the silver outfit. I love the heels. When I saw Gaga walking down that carpet, I was like, yes, queen.
I think it comes as no surprise that my favorite is Machine Gun Kelly, my color twin of the night. You looked great, boo. You did. It really brought out your eyes and your highlights, and I was living for it.
I couldn't decide between two. First of all, Lady Gaga for me. Oh, she literally tonight answered all my prayers and dreams, and everything that we've missed out on when it comes to award shows and festivals and red carpets in the last 5 to 6 months. Lady Gaga redeemed all of that tonight with her looks. So half of this goes to her, but the other half goes to Chloe and Halle, which, oh my God, I love these girls so much. Ungodly Hour literally has got me through quarantine, and seeing them perform tonight in their armor as true goddesses, literally. Chloe and Halle for me would have to be my other favorite. So the other half of this Moon Man goes to you guys.
I have to give it a tie between Lady Gaga and KeKe Palmer, because one, KeKe Palmer literally changed her outfit like 472 times, and Lady Gaga actually had like 3 outfits too. But I love that Lady Gaga was wearing her mask and reminding everyone to stay healthy and safe, please. But also KeKe Palmer with her nod to the 2000s. Everything about this night was perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you MTV, thank you celebrities, thank you KeKe, thank you Gaga. This was good. I needed this. I needed this bad.
You guys, thank you so much for watching. Let us know what your favorite looks were down in the comment section below. Also, be sure to let us know if there are any celebrities that we missed. Let us know all the things. But you guys, Mama's gotta go put her sweats on, and you might want to too, because your laundry is officially dirty. You're welcome.